Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage project budgets with custom fields on Asana. First things first, let's head over to Asana and create a new project. Click the plus icon on the top bar and select Project. This is our first step because it establishes the foundation where we'll integrate our budgeting. Next up, we're going to add custom fields. Click the Custom Fields button in the project menu bar. Then, click Add Field and create a new field called Budget. This helps us because it allows us to track our budget directly within each task. Now that we've done that, set the field type as Number. This way we can input specific budget values to each task. The reason we do this is to provide a clear numerical view of our project's financial scope. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is assigning these budget values to your tasks, and over time, you'll be able to see a comprehensive picture of your project's budget. We're not quite done yet. The next step is to add the budget field to your layout. Click on Fields, then drag and drop the budget field into your project layout. This step matters because it helps you visualize your budget within the project's context. Lastly, let's use our budget field. When creating tasks, fill in the budget field with the estimated cost of each task. This is important because it allows for real-time budget tracking and helps you stay on top of your project's finances. And there you have it. That's how you manage project budgets with custom fields on Asana. So go ahead, take control of your project's finances and keep your budgets in check. Remember, a well-managed budget is the key to a successful project. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy project managing.